Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best plastic filler is probably one of the most versatile materials you'll ever encounter. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, understanding the ins and outs of plastic filler can save you time and money. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of plastic filler, exploring its uses, and helping you choose the perfect product for your next project. Number 5. JB Weld 50139 Plastic Bonder, Black, 25 ml. This is a quick-set, two-part urethane adhesive system. It's designed to provide strong, lasting repairs on various materials. It works on thermoset, carbon fiber composites, thermoplastics, coated metals, and even concrete. The product offers a reliable bond for diverse projects. For over 40 years, the products have been trusted by professionals. They provide the world's strongest bond, and this is no exception. With a 1-to-1 mixing ratio, it sets in just 15 minutes and can be sanded after 30. It cures to a hard, permanent bond with a tensile strength of 3,770 psi. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It's ideal for plastic, composite, and PVC repairs. It also makes a great gap filler and dries black in color. What we like. This plastic bonder sets in just 15 minutes, perfect for those quick fixes. It creates a strong, lasting bond on various materials, making it a versatile choice. If you have a project that needs a fast and reliable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It mixes up easy but it gets everywhere. It sets up pretty fast. Sticks to everything. Number 4. JB Weld PlasticWeld Epoxy Putty, 2 ounces. This is a hand-mixable 2-part epoxy putty stick. It's designed to repair and rebuild various plastic compounds and surfaces. It's perfect for DIY plastic repairs. You can use it on ABS, PVC and CPVC pipes and plastics, auto bumpers, and more. It's even certified by the NSF, making it safe for contact with potable water. After kneading the 2-part formula, it sets in just 25 minutes and fully cures in 3 hours. The cured color is off-white. PlasticWeld has a lap shear strength of 600 psi. It can withstand continuous temperatures up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and intermittent temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't shrink and can be molded, shaped, sanded, drilled, and cut. Use it on ABS, PVC and CPVC pipes and plastics, auto bumpers and trim, vinyl surfaces and siding, marine repairs and fiberglass parts, plastic water tanks, and plumbing. It bonds instantly. What we like. This epoxy putty is specifically designed for repairing ABS, PVC, and CPVC plastics. It's also safe for use with potable water, making it ideal for plumbing and water tank repairs. If you are looking for a reliable solution for plastic repairs, especially in plumbing or water-related applications, consider this. What people say. The product works as advertised. Easy to use and apply. It dries quickly and sands easily. Number 3. DAP Plastic Wood All-Purpose Wood Filler, White, 6 ounces. This wood filler is designed to mimic the appearance and feel of actual wood. It's perfect for repairing imperfections on wooden surfaces, making it look as good as new. Whether it's a corner or a vertical surface, this filler is the perfect solution. It adheres well and provides a strong, lasting repair, making it suitable for both interior and exterior use. The latex-based formula is easy to work with. You can plane, cut, drill, screw, nail, sand, stain, and paint it, offering versatility for various repair needs. This filler is built to last. It resists shrinking, cracking, and crumbling, ensuring your repairs remain intact. It also provides strong anchoring for nails and screws. The thick, knife-grade formula allows for easy molding and sculpting. This means it can fill any shape imperfection, providing a seamless finish. It dries relatively quickly, with shallow repairs taking only a few hours. For deeper fills, it may take up to 36 hours, ensuring a durable and lasting result. What we like. This wood filler looks and acts like real wood, perfect for seamless repairs. It's easy to sand, paint, and is shrink resistant, ensuring a smooth finish. If you like working with wood and need a filler that blends in perfectly, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This stuff is amazing. Easy to use. The product worked perfectly. Number 2. Permatex 84145 Permapoxy Black Plastic Weld. Introducing a structural adhesive designed for versatile bonding. This product is perfect for a wide range of materials, ensuring a strong and reliable connection. It forms a tough and durable bond. The bond offers a permanent strength of up to 3,500 psi, making it ideal for demanding applications. This is a fast-curing product, setting in just 5 minutes at room temperature. This quick setting time allows you to complete projects efficiently. It bonds most plastics, composites, ceramics, and wood. You can use it in any combination, providing flexibility for various projects. The product offers gap-filling capabilities up to 0.125 inches. This feature ensures a secure and complete bond, even with uneven surfaces. What we like. This adhesive cures quickly, setting in just 5 minutes, saving you valuable time. It forms a tough, durable bond with a permanent strength up to 3,500 psi. If you are looking for a fast-acting, high-strength adhesive for various materials, this is a great option. What people say. This stuff works great on ABS plastic. I used it to repair a cracked radiator fan shroud, which has split about 3/4 down the side. I used it to fix some broken tabs on my Toyota Tacoma fender flares and it worked great. Set up quick and dries strong. Number 1. PAR 15 Patch, Black 4 ounces, Ultimate Filler. This is PAR 15 Patch, essentially PAR 15 rust preventive coating in a tube. It remains flexible while you work and dries rock hard, becoming impervious to fuels and solvents. It's so tough, it may even strengthen weakened metal. Apply this patch to dry surfaces only while wearing protective gloves. It dries to the touch in 4 to 6 hours, but full cure may take up to 96 hours depending on thickness. Once dry, no solvent can remove it. Unlike conventional body fillers, this product won't absorb moisture or swell. It dries to a rock-hard finish that won't crack or chip, providing a permanent seal that no solvent can remove. This patch permanently seals loose furniture joints, patches holes in steel, wood, and some plastics. It can fix fuel tanks and floor pans, bond steel, and repair concrete and cinder blocks. It offers versatility across all your projects. At PAR 15, we strive to bring the ultimate in rust prevention. Known for the unbeatable 3-step stop rust system, it is trusted by DIY enthusiasts and professionals. We are committed to innovation, quality control, and excellent customer service. What we like. This product remains flexible while you work and dries rock hard, creating a permanent seal. It can even add strength to weakened metal. If you need a filler that offers both flexibility during application and ultimate strength after curing, this is the one. What people say. The product is easy to use. It dries quickly and sands easily. It fills small imperfections well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.